Good morning to all of you. In our previous lecture, we have derived different formulas for evaluating the area and perimeter of different types of triangles. We have discussed all types of formula for finding the area of different type of triangles. And today we will discuss how to evaluate the area by using those derived formulas. Let us discuss some questions in our today's lecture. And in question number 1, in this figure, question number one A and B are rectangles and C and D are parallelograms. We have not discussed how to find the area of parallelograms. It will be discussed in our next lecture, and we will solve only question number A and B because we know the formula to evaluate the area of rectangles, right? So question number 1A, we have been given a rectangle A, B, C and D, and BC has a length 12 centimeter and CD has a length 8 centimeter. That means 12 centimeter is length and 8 centimeter is breadth B. So here in this rectangle, length L is 12 centimeter and breadth B is 8 centimeter. We have to find area and perimeter. Area and perimeter. Perimeter P. By using formula. By using formula, area A is equal to length into breadth, L into B. That is 12 centimeter times 8 centimeter. That will be equal to 96 centimeter square. And perimeter is sum of all sides. We know the formula for perimeter of rectangle, that is 2L plus B, and L is 12 centimeter, B is 8 centimeter, 2 times 20, and that is 40 centimeter. The unit of perimeter will be centimeter, not centimeter square. And similarly in next question 1B, the length is 18 centimeter and the breadth is 8 centimeter. Try yourself by using these two formula. Okay, in next question number 2, find the area. We have to find the area only. Here in A, we have been given 60 centimeter as a height and 20 centimeter as a base. This is a triangle ABC. Okay, question number 2. Question number 2A. There is a triangle ABC. ABC. This is a height which has been given 16 centimeter and base is 20 centimeter. Now we know when base and height are known, then the area of this triangle will be half of base time height, right? So here base is 20 centimeter and height is 16 centimeter. We need to find area of triangle ABC. That is A is what? Applying formula, area of triangle ABC. A is equal to half base into height. Base is B and S. It is 20 centimeter and 60 centimeter. This will be 20 divided by 2, that is 10 centimeter, and 60 centimeter, that will be 160 centimeter square. So area will be 160 centimeter square. If you do not know the formula, then watch our first lecture. Area of any triangle. Area of any triangle is equal to half of base time height. This is applicable in any triangle if we know the base and height. And in case of equilateral triangle, area of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is equal to under root 3a square by 4a square. 4 square unit. Square unit. And area of isosceles triangle, A will be b times under root 4a square minus b square by 4 square units, where b is the length of unequal side, b is unequal side, and a is equal side. These are the three formula we have to remember while calculating the area of given triangle. And we do not discuss the area of scalene triangle when its sides are given, because to find the area of such type of triangle or scalene triangle, we have to apply Heron's formula, which is not in our textbook. It will be discussed in class 9. So we will leave it today. And in next question, question number 2, B. Here base has been given and height has been given. Try yourself. And in third question, this is a right angle triangle. Base is 26 centimeter and height is 12 centimeter. Apply the same formula. Question number C. This is a right angle triangle. Base has been given, perpendicular has been given, or height has been given. Apply the same formula. We will get the area of this right angle triangle. And moving to the next question. Question number 3. Find the area and perimeter of the following triangles. अनि 3 को A मा चाहिँ हामीलाई दिएको छ एउटा आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल दिएको छ, किन भन्दाखेरि यसको 5 सेन्टिमिटर छ, यसको 5 सेन्टिमिटर छ, दुईटा साइड इक्वल छ, अनि थर्ड साइड चाहिँ अनइक्वल छ भनेको छ 3 को A. Question number 3 को A. These two sides are equal 5 centimeter and 5 centimeter, and this third side is 6 centimeter. Length of equal side, that is denoted by A, that is 5 centimeter, and length of unequal side denoted by B, which is 6 centimeter. So area of this triangle, isosceles triangle, A will be, by using formula, This will be equal to b times under root 4a square minus b square whole upon 4. B is 6 centimeter and A is 5 centimeter. 6 centimeter 4. 4 times 25 minus 36 whole divided by 4. 6 times under root 100 minus 36 whole divided by 4. That is equal to 6 times under root 64 whole divided by 4. 6 times under root of 64 is 8 divided by 4. 4 2 is 8 and 6 2 is 12. That's why our area will be 12 centimeter square. So area of this isosceles triangle will be 12 centimeter square. Similarly, you can apply the same formula to find the area of this isosceles triangle. In question number 3rd B, you will see this triangle is isosceles triangle because this is 6 centimeter and this also 6 centimeter, because we have been given these two sign. That means these two sides are equal. So apply the same formula and find the area. And in third question or C, in C, all sides are equal. Because of this three sign, this triangle is equilateral triangle and length of side of equilateral triangle is 7 centimeter. That means value of A is 7 centimeter. So we know the formula. Question number 3C, equilateral triangle. This is 7 centimeter. Length of side of an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, that is A is equal to 7 centimeter, and we need area of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, capital A is to be calculated. So applying formula, using formula, area of equilateral triangle will be, triangle A will be square by 4. So under root 3, A squared means 7 squared whole upon 4. Under root 3 times 49 whole upon 4. You can evaluate this result in decimal by using calculator. I will keep it as it is. So this will be centimeter square because side is in centimeter. So area will be in centimeter square, right? So the area of this, right, so the area of this equilateral triangle will be 49 under root 3 whole upon 4 centimeter square. Similarly, you can use this formula to evaluate the area of this triangle whose side length is 8 centimeter. Use the same formula and find the area of this triangle. And in fourth question, find the area of the following figure. And it is parallelogram and this is quadrilateral, or this is known as a kite. You see, we have not discussed how to find the area of these figures. So we will discuss in our next lecture. Okay, do practice more questions from your textbooks by using this formula. You can evaluate any type of triangle. You have to remember this formula to evaluate the area of the given type of triangle. So remember these three formula. Let us do another question. Question number 4. If the area of an equilateral triangle is 1603 centimeters square, then find the length of its sides and the length of its sides. Area of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle A is equal to 1603 centimeters square. We need the value of A or side length. So length of side, length of a side, that is A is equal to what? A is to be determined. So we know area of equilateral triangle is under root 3 A square by 4. A is equal to 16 under root 3 over 3. A is to be evaluated changing net under root 3 A square 16 under root 3 times 4 divided by under root 3. In time under root 3 times 4 divided by under root 3. Under root 3 gets cancelled. And A square is equal to 16 times 4, or A square is 64. A is under root 64, which is equal to 8. Therefore, A is equal to 8 centimeters. Therefore, this side of equilateral triangle is 8 centimeters. Similarly, in next question, question number 5. If the length of a rectangular room is twice the breadth and The perimeter is 60 feet. What is the length and breadth of the room? How many square feet of carpet is required to cover the floor of room? In this question, we have been given a rectangular room and whose breadth and length has a relations, and the perimeter is given 60 feet. Let breadth be x, then length will be 2 times of breadth, right? 2 times of breadth means 2x. Perimeter is given perimeter is 60 feet. In question number 1, we have to find the length and breadth. If we know the value of x, we can easily determine length and breadth. So first of all, let us find the value of x. Putting to question. Putting to question. Perimeter P is equal to 60 feet, or the perimeter of rectangle is 2 of L plus B. This is 60. Or length is 2x, breadth is x. This is 60, or 2 times of 2x plus x, that is 3x, equal to 60. 2 times 3 will be equal to 6x is equal to 60. So we need the value of x. So x is equal to 60 divided by 6, that will be equal to 10. So length L is equal to 2x, that is equal to 2 into 10, which will be equal to 20 feet. And breadth B is equal to x, that is 10 feet. So length and breadth are 20 feet and 10 feet respectively. And in the second question, how many square feet? Square feet of carpet is required to cover the floor of room. So we have to find the area. Square feet means we have to find the total area of the room. To cover the floor of the room completely, the area of the area of the carpet should be equal to the area of the floor. So let us find the area of the floor in question number second. We need to find the area of carpet A, that will be equal to area of floor, right? Needs to be evaluated. So using formula area of carpet, that is A is equal to area of floor, area of floor. Area is of rectangular shape, so area of floor means area of rectangle. That means length into breadth, L into B. That means length is 20 feet and breadth is 10. That means this will be equal to 200 feet squared. So therefore 200 feet squared carpet is required to cover the floor of the room completely, to cover the floor completely.